right. Yeah, afterwards? Hold on, guys. Welcome to the 2011 Angry Bird Competition. Everybody, let me just film it. We're going to put it on YouTube if you're really goofy.
Yeah, we are.
All right.
Goofy.
Birthday girl's going to go first. Homemade slingshot. You get 5 birds. You try to knock down all the birds, the pigs.
That's easy, but you can use like.
Oh, and you get the amount of points according to the type of pig you knock down.
It's okay. It's okay. It's going to be hard to do. So.
What do we do?
Just say, hey, just put it back up.
Win is killing. Darn, win. It's on the edge. Get it right. Someone else's turn.
No. Come on. Try to knock down some at least.
Come on.
My bird is dirty. Do this.
Here, Eric, hold this for a second. Let me just show you. All right, guys. You just gotta wing it back really hard, right? Right?
Yeah.
Right?
See, my mom failed at it.
Aiden, everybody's gonna take a shot.
Whoa, who did that? This one works better. Nice job, Aiden.
All right, maybe we won't do the scores because. Nice.
That's like the smallest.
All right, that's how we'll do it. Not until everybody. Oh yeah. Just keep going, because each one has a different score.
Oh. This took all night building. Oh, I got one. Yeah.
Nice, almost.
How about you just enjoy yourself?
Yay, I get yellow. We'll keep it in a pile. No one can even cut back these ones.
Hoops and eggs.
Zach, pull it back really far. Don't worry. Bye.
When you press on it, and it like speeds. You should do it when you're like right about to touch the pigs.
Oh, it's here already. Thank you. Yes. I'll go.
The birds are ripping up faster than we thought.
It's okay.
No, because the feathers.
Slinky, help me out. I'm gonna get a tip for the picture now.
I almost got. Give me the money.
Close one.
I need a bird.
The ball.
The ball. I need a bird. Yeah.
Who wants
Oh, I need a bird. No. What's these? This is not. Points, you hit the guy.
I do.
Just put in the wagon.
Move, Dave.
I'm point person. I love this guy. Alright, ready? Try to hit Caitlin. Ah, fail. Fail.
Hey, Aiden.
Fail. I was like the farthest. Anybody need a bird? Yeah, Brandon.
Hey,
Move, Dave.
This is a tail.
No, stop. Put it down.
I want to get up. Let's go. That's like the weakest thing. Triple bird. I got it. Bird is supposed to blow up. We're ready.
What happened to the ignoring?
This one's in. To the middle one.
I don't want to
No.
Let's seriously, do you want to be like that? It's not really a good birthday. And your birthday party too? It's not my birthday party.
Oh, wait, triple.
Yeah. No, when
This
I
one
know
just
it.
does nothing.
You said earlier, it's technically her birthday party. I was just trying to be funny.
It's supposed to be like the thing on top.
You just realized the camera could hear everything you're saying right now.
Oh, okay. Wait, Celine, are you going? Or-
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll give you the next one.
It's going down like at a tiny bit.
Well, yeah, the camera can hear. No, it can't. No, yes, it can.
Hey, Celine, you're.
Well, but like,
Do you want the block? I'll use the white if you want.
it doesn't matter.
I didn't try to aim down.
David, I need you to video it.
Videotape it? Record it? Wait, it's recording right now? Oh, that's so cool. Okay.
Happy birthday, Wait. Yeah, Mom. Oh. Is it hard enough? Margaret.
Yeah, it would. Really. Oh, our first.
How many points? How many points?
Oh, 100 points.
I gotta record that. 100.
100 points.
100 for
Who?
Celine.
100. Celine has 100 points. Yay.
Oh, wait, do I put this back, Mom? Or, wait a minute, wait.
Wait,
Mom,
no.
do I put this back or do I...
Yeah, put it back. Put it back.
Let me try to rebuild it on this flat.
Oh.
Oh. How many points?
Should I keep it here? How
No.
about we keep
Yeah,
it?
sure.
Let's rebuild.
Everybody, quickly help me. Just move
Hey,
this over here. The
Wait,
structure.
the video. What should I do with the videotapes?
Oh, just hit that stop for a moment.
Okay. It's the.